Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can take your 3D printing game to the next level. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the Creality TPU Filament 1.75, specifically the 95A TPU flexible filament in a striking blue color. This filament is designed for those who want to create flexible, durable, and visually appealing 3D prints. Made from high-quality soft adhesive material, it offers a unique combination of toughness and elasticity that is perfect for a variety of applications. One of the standout features of this filament is its high resilience and good glossiness. With a sure hardness of 95A, it strikes the right balance between softness and firmness, making it ideal for creating objects that need to withstand some bending and stretching without losing their shape. The filament also boasts excellent interlayer bonding, which enhances the stability of your prints and contributes to a smoother surface finish. This means that not only will your models look great, but they'll also hold up well over time. Another significant advantage of the Creality TPU filament is its high wear and aging resistance. Whether you're printing items that will see frequent use or simply need something durable, this filament can handle it. It is resistant to wear and scratches, ensuring that your creations will last. Additionally, it's waterproof and moisture-proof, providing warmth in cold conditions while also defending against UV rays. This makes it an excellent choice for outdoor applications or items that may face varying environmental conditions. When it comes to chemical performance, this filament truly shines. Its excellent chemical resistance means that it can withstand exposure to water, oil, and various solvents without compromising its integrity. Plus, it's non-toxic and environmentally friendly, making it a responsible choice for those concerned about their impact on the planet. Who is this filament suitable for? Well, it's perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. If you're someone who enjoys creating functional parts, prototypes, or artistic projects, the Creality TPU filament is an excellent addition to your toolkit. It's widely compatible with most FDM 3D printers available on the market today, allowing for hassle-free printing. Practical use cases for this filament are virtually endless. You can create items like rubber seals, soft grips for tools, flexible phone cases, and even custom shoe soles. The ability to print soft objects opens up a world of possibilities, whether you're working on prototypes or unique gifts for friends and family. Before you start printing, keep in mind that proper storage of the filament is essential. It's recommended to place the Creality TPU filament in a dry and ventilated environment. Avoid exposing it to high temperatures, direct sunlight, or humid conditions to maintain its quality over time. Additionally, Creality offers a 12-month warranty on their filament, along with 24-hour after-sales service, ensuring that you have support whenever you need it. In summary, the Creality TPU Filament 1.75 is a versatile and reliable choice for anyone looking to produce flexible and durable 3D prints. With its impressive performance characteristics and wide range of applications, it truly stands out in the crowded market of 3D printing materials. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.